Hello everyone, welcome back to another exciting Figma tutorial. Let's create percentage infographic in Figma. Online vector graphic editor and prototyping tool. Draw background 850 by 850 dimensions using rectangle. Use corner radius equals 10. Pick the color from the swatches. Right-click Send to Back. And right-click Lock Selection. Draw circle 700 by 700 dimensions using ellipse. Select from the drop-down menu below. Select Stroke and corner radius equals 60. Remove Fill and pick the color from the swatches. Right-click, copy, and paste here. Subtract selection to get 84% as shown in the scene. Pick the color from the swatches using eyedropper. Change gradient directions. Enter statistical data using Type tool, press shortcut key T. Thanks for watching.